Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, we install the setup of the QRadar. Then open the VMware and open the virtual machine. Here we import the setup in the VMware. The name of the virtual machine is the QRadar. Open the terminal, log in as a root, enter the password, and using the /setup command, we start the setup of the QRadar. We accept all the necessary security policies that an IBM given us, and now the installation is complete. Now we enter the admin password. You must have to remember that password. Now we check the IP address, and it is necessary to check the status of Tomcat. Tomcat server is necessary to active. Then enter the IP address on your favorite browser. Here you can see the IBM QRadar terminal. You can log in as an admin and provide the password. Accept the necessary security policies of the IBM. Here is the platform of the software. You can see that there is no logs generated. Now we install the WinCollect agent. Basically, WinCollect agent is also a software of the QRadar. We install HTTP version. Start the installation of the WinCollect agent. Enter the IP address of QRadar that we got from the terminal of the QRadar. Now move towards the platform of the software. From admin, you can add the log. We can add the Microsoft event log because WinCollect agent basically collect the Windows log, and through that you can see that the logs are generated. Thank you.